Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make this beautiful beaded bracelet together. I used 11/0 seed beads with 3 mm white and blue pearl beads for a soft, elegant vibe. The pattern is super simple and easy, perfect if you're just starting out or want a quick relaxing project. I'm obsessed with this white and blue combo. It feels like summer sky. But you can totally switch it up and make it in your favorite bead colors. So, if you like this bracelet design, let's make it together. Grab your beads and let's get started. Pick up 3 seed beads and pass the needle through the clasp. Pick up another 7 seed beads. Make 1 or 2 knots. Cut off the excess thread. Pass the needle through for seed beads. Pick up 1 white bead, 1 blue bead. Pass the needle through the 4 seed beads. Turn it over. Pass the needle through the pearl beads. Pick up for seed beads again. Go through the pearl beads. Turn it over. Go through the seed beads. Pick up 1 blue bead and 1 white bead. Go through the seed beads. Turn it over. Now go through the pearl beads. As you can see, this pattern is repetitive. The only thing you have to pay attention to is not forgetting to switch the beads color for each row of pair beads. Let me know in the comments below if this pattern seems easy for you to make or no. Keep adding beads until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. Attach the clasp. Pick up 3 seed beads, clasp, 3 seed beads. Pick up 4 beads and add them to each side as shown next. Thanks for watching.